I've been using the Barclays Banking mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the main reasons I chose Barclays was its comprehensive range of features. The app allows me to check my balance, manage payments, and even freeze my card if it's lost or stolen. Additionally, I can also set spending limits and receive instant spending notifications, which help me stay on top of my finances. On top of that, the app's calendar feature keeps track of my regular payments, ensuring I never miss a due date. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, while the app offers a wide range of features, I sometimes find the user interface to be less intuitive than I'd like. Navigating through different sections can be a bit confusing, and it took me some time to get used to where everything is located. Another aspect worth mentioning is the security measures in place. Barclays provides robust security features, including the ability to temporarily freeze your card and set restrictions on its usage. This gives me peace of mind knowing that my account is protected against unauthorized transactions. Overall, my experience with the Barclays mobile banking app has been positive, especially considering its comprehensive features and strong security measures. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.